To ensure her chicks hatch safely, the mother bird willingly seals herself inside a small tree hollow, protecting herself and her offspring from predators. Meanwhile, her mate tirelessly gathers mud, delivering it to her repeatedly. The mud mixed with saliva is carefully applied around the edges of the hollow's entrance, gradually narrowing it until only their breaks can fit through. Afterwards, the mother bird plucks her own feathers one by one, lining the bottom of the tree hollow with them. Once this cage-like nursery is completed, the mother bird stays inside for an extended period, remaining there until her chicks hatch. During this time, all the food for her and the chicks is provided by the male bird for the chur. Next 6 months, the male hornbill daily task search for food. He gathers berries and delivers them through the tiny opening of the hollow to his mate. Observations have recorded the male bird delivering as many as 200,000 berries during this period. However, the mother bird can grow tired of eating berries every day. At such times, the considerate mate brings her insects, which are the best nutritional supplements for breeding females. These insects are often harder to catch, but the male always ensures they are given to his mate, never keeping any for himself no matter the weather. The male bird faithfully repeats this routine every day. Only after their chicks hatch does the female bird emerge from the hollow to join her mate in searching for food.